Okay. I'm gonna make it fishy. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. There, I made my fishy.
Now you're gonna eat it?
No, I don't wanna.
Yeah. One whole strip.
Which piece of hair should I eat?
Oh, hair? I call right fin.
I'm not eating one of these. These are big.
The second one.
This?
Yeah.
This one or this one?
Okay, the front one. I'll gum. Oh, take it out.
Oh!
No, you gotta eat it. You can't just touch it with your tongue.
It's salty. It's really, really majorly salty.
Eat it. Put it all in your mouth. Come on. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it, chew it.
Oh my god. I don't wanna.
Chew it. You have to. Chew it and swallow it.
Can I just swallow it whole?
No, you have to chew it. Chew it. Come on, chew it. Chew it.
Oh my god.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna...
You're chewing it?
I can't.
Okay, wait. Is it in your mouth still?
I can't do it.
Wait, is it still in your mouth?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Just swallow it. I don't care. Just swallow it. Come on.
I'm gonna puke.
Just swallow it. Come on, swallow it real quick.
I'm gonna puke. It's stuck in my teeth and stuff.
Okay, just chew it and spit it out. You don't have to eat it then. Did you spit it out yet?
Oh my god, this guy.
Collection.
Oh.
Here, let me see your teeth.
Okay, here. Oh my god. I need to spit in something.
Oh, your mom's gonna love this.
I want to cry right now.
Are you eating it again? No, you're taking it out. I thought you were putting it back in your mouth. No,
I just almost puked.
Yeah, I can tell.
I'm gonna puke.
No. Let's get you water.
Yeah.
How do I end this? How do I end this? Here, go to the sink or something while I figure out how to stop this. I'm pressing buttons. I don't know how to stop it. How do I stop it, motherfucker?
I take the top button.